So this is just a review for those that are coming to the meeting of all the different views we have in the tanning bed op. And you'll see how we were able to actually do this. It's very, very powerful when you're studying your ergonomics. So that's a view from above the assistant's two monitors. That's a GoPro actually on the assistant's cart, both from the east and the west, so you really get a view of all the assistant's actions. That's a view from the west side of the operatory where you can evaluate the doctor's posture. So these are all the different views that the assistant, that's the doctor's monitor view. That's from behind the patient. That's from above the doctor's monitor. That's from the cart. That's from the microscope. So you have all these different views that you have complete control overhead. Several overhead views are also very powerful when studying your ergonomics. So for those coming to the meeting, you'll see how we actually hooked all this up, how we mounted the GoPros, and it'll really help you if you want to do this in your own op, of how simple this really is if you plan appropriately. So I hope this helps give you a little insight into it.